All right, so this one says, the case before me involves a plaintiff and 3 co-defendants. So we're saying that we have a plaintiff and then we have 3 co-defendants. The plaintiff has applied or asked to the court for an order that allows her to question each defendant without their co-defendants or their co-defendants' legal counsel being present, right? So each of these co-defendants are going to have legal counsel as well. And she's asked for permission to question like one of them without the others being present. But 2 of the co-defendants share the same legal counsel. So let's say that these 2 co-defendants over here have the same legal counsel. Do you get that? So they're saying that 2 of the co-defendants have the same attorney.
Yes.
The court will not order any co-defendant to find new legal counsel. So we're saying like the court is not going to make any one of these people find a new attorney. So they all get to keep their attorney. Therefore, the order requested by the plaintiff cannot be granted. Because how could the plaintiff question this person with their legal counsel present without while still questioning them without this person and their legal counsel being present?
Okay, so in this case the legal counsel would be present.
Yes, that's the issue, right? Because like whenever there's no issue, like when she questions this person, there's no problem, right? Like she's like, yeah, I'm questioning this person, their legal counsel's there, it's all great, they leave. But what happens is when she questions this person and this legal counsel is present, well, that's not fair because this legal counsel is also representing this person.
Yes.
All right, so we're looking for something that will strengthen our conclusion that the order requested by the plaintiff cannot be granted. So go ahead and start with A and tell me if you like it, leave it, or hate it.
Hate it.
A court cannot issue an order that forces legal counsel to disclose information revealed by a client. Yep. It's irrelevant, right?
Yes.
All right, what do you think about B? Yep. All right, so let's go ahead and leave B. What do you think about C? Why do you hate C?
Kind of irrelevant.
It's so irrelevant. Like we don't care that they have the right to refuse answering questions. That has nothing to do with them, her being allowed to question them without the others present.
It's about legal counsel.
Yeah, that's stupid. I agree. All right, what about D? Yeah, D isn't relevant at all. A plaintiff in a legal case should never be granted a right that is denied to a defendant. I mean, cool, but what right is she being granted that is denied to? Like, is she allowed to do?
Yeah. Is this right the right that has been denied to a defendant? We're not sure.
So, like, she's not allowed to do something that the defendant isn't allowed to do. So we're saying the defendant isn't allowed to question everyone without being present. Like, that's irrelevant.
Yeah, it's not mentioned.
Right. And then what about E?
It's not about the legal counsel, whether he has the right to question the plaintiff. It's about the plaintiff questioning the defendant.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. The defendant has the right to question the plaintiff. Awesome. But that doesn't mean that the order requested by the plaintiff cannot be granted. Like, that's not why. So that's why our answer is B, where we say defendants have the right to have their legal counsel present. Yeah, because if they have the right, this goes back to here where I kind of assumed this, but if they have the right to have their legal counsel present, it can't be granted because there would be overlap. And so that's why B is our answer.